Welcome back. It's art time class. If you clicked on this video, that means you're looking for a closer lookup of how to create pop-up eyes or horns for your creature. Just like Discord in the show My Little Pony, he has pop-out ears. He has different style horns as well. So be sure to have not just your sketch of your creature or dragon idea already decided, but you need to also have your base created as well. Here's my base that I'm going to be working off of. I've decided which is the top and which is the bottom of my dragon as well. It's an artist's choice if you want to hold it this way or if you'd prefer to hold your dragon this way. Okay. Since I'm choosing to hold my dragon this way, this is the top of my dragon. Here I am petting my dragon. Now to create pop-up eyes or pop-up horns, I'm going to be creating more than one. And they're going to look the same. So I'm going to need a strip of paper. Here is a strip of paper I can use that I have saved from just extra scrap left over from creating my dragon and making it a little shorter because I wanted mine to be a little shorter for this project. To create eyes, I'm going to go ahead and fold my paper over. Here I have folded my paper and you can see my lines from my teeth that I was creating. This time I'm going to do eyes, and instead of a triangle shape, I want to do more of a curve shape for the eye. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. And because my paper is folded over, when I cut, you'll cut safely. I'm cutting. My scissors are face forward. I'm going to turn and rotate my paper. My scissors staying face forward. Very nice. I have two of the exact same shape, which is what I want. I can go ahead and add a little bit of glue. Let's fold this over. So I created a little tab. I want the eyes to pop up here and here. I'm going to do a little dot where I want the eyes to be. I'm going to smear. It's very important to smear your glue. I'm going to press and hold. Press and hold for this one. Now notice I have the eyes sticking up right now. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not just laying them flat and pushing down just in case there's some glue here on accident. I don't want to glue it down flat. So I'm kind of using my other hand as a guide to keep it from getting glued down. There we go. Now if I want to add horns, I want to do similar. Let's say I want something bigger. So I'm going to need a bigger strip of extra paper. Here I have this, and I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. Super important that you fold it in half. You'll see how I folded, hand on top, hand under, sandwiching, lining up, pulling this hand out, and then pushing this down, and then pushing this down really nicely. Okay. I want my horn shape to be, I want my horn shape to be, the thing I'm going to do this, like that shape. And I'm adding a little extra, so it's going to end here, and there's a little extra. I want to be sure there's extra for that tab that I'm going to cut out. And because my paper is folded, I'm going to have two. If you ever created snowflakes with me, we practice this when we create snowflakes, sometimes in December. Okay, there's one side. I should stop and go from the other side now as well. And if I ever have a point or like an acute angle I'm cutting to, I really want to take it from two different directions. I can keep that nice point. Very nice. And ta-da, I have two. I really like it when I fold my paper. I end up having two of something. Erase here. All right. Now the fold's going to be somewhere around here. I'm going to pre-fold it so I remember where it is. All right, so I see that little fold crease that I did. I'm going to go ahead and fold those out. And I want my horns to either stick up and over to the side like this. I'm going to kind of stick them off the edge, kind of like my ears or my headphones. Guys, if you want to give your dragon headphones, this is how you'll do it. You'll create like this circular shape. You'll do a circular shape coming off the side. And you'll add a strip, kind of like this strip, from one side to the other if you want to do headphones. But to do horns, very similar. Let's do a little dot here, dot here. These dots are a little too big. Smear that out a little bit more. Right. I want my horn to go back this way. And I want my horn to go back. Wait a second. This way or this way? What do you guys think? I think this way. The way I had it? Yes, like this. All right. I have a little extra glue on my finger. I'm going to go ahead and kind of smear over the edge, similar to paper mache. Okay? Similar to paper mache. So really smearing that out. Once it's fully smeared, I'm rubbing my hands because I know there's a little wet glue on my fingers. I'm going to press down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I can pop that up, pop these guys up. Now we've got some pop-up details. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep being creative.